Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So I'm going to show you a wonderful passing chord and some licks, okay, which you can add to this particular song. I will worship you, okay. So I'm playing the key of F so that you all could get to see what I'm playing and what I'm doing, okay. So let's check the movement we'll be learning today, okay. So it goes like this. If today is your first time coming across my video, kindly like, comment, share and subscribe. We'll be in the key of F like I said. So in the key of F, this is 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 and the 1, okay. So basically this is the same as the Do, the Re, the Mi, the Fa, the So, the La, the Si and the Do, okay. So most of you know this particular song, okay. So let's check the general progression of this particular song. So it goes from the 1, okay, to the 5, okay. Most people can also play the 7, the same thing, okay. So let's check. To the 6, to the 4, okay, then it will start. Nothing wrong playing this particular way, okay, but sometimes you need to add certain stuff to it, okay, so that your play will be more advanced, okay. So let's check what I'm doing, okay. There's so many stuff that I could teach you, okay, many passing chord to apply different movements. We can use rootless voicing, inner voicing, like plenty stuff, okay, but we are going to keep it simple, but at the same time not simple, okay. You know what I mean, okay. So let's check what I'm doing, okay. So okay, from here, all right, so that we will end up to this particular chord. I'm just going to show you the most important things, okay. So the first chord, okay, so what am I doing? I'm just doing the 1 chord, the basic chord, just that I'm doing stretching, okay, stretching, okay. So basically the Do chord that you play like this, I'm just stretching it, then I'll do, you know, the chord, it goes to the 5.